So proposals are one of our most commonly used features and one of the ones that people start using Bonsai with and really love to use. So I'm excited to walk you through that today. To get to the proposals tab, you just go to the left side here. You'll see a list of all your proposals sorted by their status, whether they're a draft or they've been sent and haven't been accepted yet, or they have been accepted. But if you're just starting out, obviously you won't see any of those. So let's go ahead and create a new proposal here. You'll select the client that you want to create the proposal for, or you can create a new client right from this modal here. So let's do Kelly Jacobson, a test client here. We'll create a new project name. We'll just call this test project. And then proposal template. Bonsai comes with a couple of templates built in: a generic template, design template, development template, writing template. Also this test template, which is one that I've created and saved myself, and we'll go into that later. But for now, let's just create a generic template and create that proposal. So this banner up here and this logo I've already updated. I've set in my settings, which you can do from the top right drop down in settings at any time. But I can also edit it individually on each individual profile. So I can remove or edit this image, and same thing with that banner. You can also change the title. Cool. Proposal, change that there. All of this is editable. Your address and your email address, the client's email address, and their physical address, which that is all pre-filled automatically from the client's profile that you create. We'll go through the CRM in a separate video. So this is the generic template. It has these different sections here: overview and goals, the timeline, the fee structure, additional services. This is all edited live, so you can make changes here and just start typing. We also have some rich text support down here, so you can change the font type, for example. You can add bullet points. You can change the indentation. You can put in a text. You can insert an image. So pretty flexible. Customize that text. This is really helpful, again, if you create a base template that you really like, spend a lot of time customizing it, and then save it as a template, and you can quickly reuse it. Another feature of proposals that we really like is the fee structure. So you can choose a couple of different ways to propose the fee structure to the client. You can just give them one option, say, I'm going to do this website for you for $1,000. You can give them a couple of packages to choose from, so they can choose A, B, or C. Maybe one has additional services or whatnot if you're trying to upsell them. And then you have multi-select, so they can choose A and B, or they can choose A, B, and C. Different clients and different projects require different packages, but it's nice to have that option. And this is, again, one of the most popularly used features on proposals, and a great way to grow your business. You can add or move these sections around. So let's say that I actually want to put the fee structure at the top. I can hover over it and then click this arrow here and move it. See, it's moving above timeline. I'm going to move it above overview, so it's at the very top there. You can also add new sections as well. So at the very bottom here, I'll click plus to add a new section. Maybe I want a new text section. I can attach a file. I can attach an attachment to this. And then you also have the About Us section, which includes your profile from Bonsai, which you'll have filled out, and you'll have your picture there and your links and things like that. You can remove sections as well. Same way as you move them around, just click the X and it'll delete that section for you. Once the proposal is ready to send, you can send it up here. You can send it by email. You can send it by link. You can also preview what the client will see. And then you can also save it as a template. So let's say that I, again, created this very basic proposal and I wanted to reuse it for other clients in the future. I can click on more options here, and I can click save it as a template. And that would allow me to quickly reuse it, maybe change some text, but be able to send it again to another client. So proposals are a great way to kick off a project. The design is very nice. You can download it as a PDF. So yeah, I recommend that you log into Bonsai and try to create a proposal yourself. You can send it to yourself, send it to a test client, send it to a friend. Just get a feel for how creating that proposal goes.